Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. I'm back with Press1 Cash, guys. Want to show you 2 strategies that you can use to promote Press1 Cash, okay? But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So, Press1 Cash, before we get into that, is a software, okay, that's designed for any business owner, any entrepreneur out here that has a business that you're trying to promote, that has a website, okay. What it will do, it will allow you to link your website to your assigned phone number. And when people call your assigned phone number and they press 1, they'll be taken immediately over to your website. So it's a great way to get more exposure to your primary business, if you have a primary business, okay? If you do not have a primary business and you're actually looking for a way to make some money online, this is perfect as well, because you can just promote your phone number, okay? That will link people back to this particular website that promotes your Press1 Cash website, okay? And it will explain everything for you, so you don't have to worry about trying to explain this. This is what I like about this business. In the direct sales business that I'm a part of, I don't go into explaining, doing presentations and things of that nature. I basically guide people back to the websites and the videos that's been created already. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, and let the system do all the selling and telling. And then sometimes you will get calls where people may ask you a few questions. But other than that, guys, this thing right here sells itself. Okay, it's a software. It sells itself. And who doesn't want to make $200? Okay, who couldn't use an extra $200, whether it's a week, a day, a month, at any point in time, the $200 shows up in my account, I'm grateful, okay? So, this is a great way to do it. It's non-threatening because you're basically advertising that number, okay? Just getting exposure to that number. There's numerous ways you can do that. Right here on this website, it lists what's included, okay? You're going to get 100 credits with it. You get a website. It's a one-up comp plan, okay? So that gives you leverage. When you join, it's $297 one time, okay? So you're getting a business in a box for under $300, and it comes already in the box, ready to go, okay? So with the one-up comp plan, when you join, you pay, and then your first sale passes up, okay? Then after that, you're qualified to receive all the $200 commissions that come to you when someone joins under your link. Okay, that's what affiliate marketing is. You're basically the middle person. Okay, so $297, no monthly fees. Okay, this one is ready to go. Now it comes with a full back office, so you can get ad copy. So if you want to place ads, it tells you what to put in the ads, where to place ads, and things of that nature. But what I'm going to show you today is 2 ways you can do it. Can promote this business. There's numerous ways, but I'm just going to show you 2, and I'm going to list a few so you can see them. Okay. Now, let me flip over here and show you. I made some notes so you can take a look. And by the way, you want to know how you get paid with this? Any way you want, because you're a business owner. Any way you want to receive your payments, whether it's Cash App, Cash, Stripe, whatever you want. You just put it in your profile, and I'll walk you through that when you sign up to get you set up, okay? So let's go over, and I jotted down some notes. All right, so let's take a look at my notes here that I have, okay? So now it comes with a website, okay? I just showed you that. Now the way I have mine set up, I have a capture page, okay? So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let me just go over there. Just hang on a second. Okay, this is a page I created in the Conversion Pros, and I'm going to put that link below. It's a marketing system. If you're going to be online and you're looking to make money online, you need a marketing system. It's going to be the first link that I put in the description of Conversion Pros, okay? So let me show you something though before we go there. Let's talk about some of the methods, okay? As I explained, it's a one-up comp plan, which gives you leverage. So that makes, what happens is 87% of the effort is from your team. So this is a great way to make income, okay, from other people's efforts. And what I did is I listed a few here for you, Okay, and all these methods will work, but what I want you guys to do is pick one method, okay? So don't scatter yourself all over the place, because it can be overwhelming. You're trying to figure out what to do. Just pick one method and repeat it over and over and over, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a page that I use where I do solo ads, okay? Then I'm going to show you I use a text message method also, all right? So let's go over there. Okay, so one of the methods I said would be solo ads. So you're going to need a capture page like this, guys, so you can capture the name and email, okay? But this is a captivating page. I mean, take a look. Earn 200 with mobile marketing. That's very captivating. So you can believe people are going to put in their name and email. And then you can send them to your website for Press1, okay? So let me show you how inexpensive it is to do solos. Hang on. Okay, and I'll give you this source when you join me. So as you can see, for 50 bucks, guys, okay, you're going to give this vendor your link. Okay, you want the capture page system. You're going to give him your capture page link, and you're going to pay 50 bucks. That's the minimum. You can go higher. I'm just showing you the minimum. 50 bucks will send, will allow them to send 100 targeted people over to your capture page. Okay, now it's not a guarantee of income or of sales, but what it's going to do is allow targeted people to take a look at your offer, okay? And as they enter into that sales funnel, they're going to be followed up with an email series, and that's what you want. You want that system so it can follow up with your leads, as well as you can contact them via email yourself. You can reply back to them via email and say, hey, I see you took a look at this opportunity, my Press1 marketing system. Do you have any questions? Introduce yourself. Give them your name and number. See, feel free to give me a call if you have any questions, okay? So, for 50 bucks, you can send 100 people over, okay? For 100 bucks and so forth. So, this is just one method that I use weekly, okay, to build up my list and to get more leads looking at this opportunity, okay? So, it's about lead generation, okay? So let me show you the other method with text message marketing. Okay, my other method is SMS phone leads. As you can see right here, it states get new leads and sales with text message marketing. Okay, so with the SMS phone leads, it's $20 to get this system. And then I upgrade it to the Blaster, as it says right here. The Blaster, I pay $33 a month. And I'm able to send out a text to 200 people every day. Okay. So just another method, okay? And I'm going to show you, I'm going to send one right now so you can see how easy this is. You can do this from your computer or you can do it from your smartphone. Just log in your back office and you're going to come down here. And for the video's sake, I went ahead and put an ad in here. Hang on a second. So all you do is you go right here and you put your message here and you hit send, okay? That's all you've got to do, guys. And it will send this message to 200 people. Now, what I'm doing is I have a couple of my members in rotation, so I'm just going to send them for the texting. I'm going to send them to straight to the Press1 page because I have these members in rotation, and we're going to just send it that way. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so it's sending, guys. I just want you to see how it works. I just typed a little message in there, okay, and this is going to go around, and once it's done, it's going to tell me it's finished. So hang on a second. See right here, it says that the campaign was sent successfully. See you tomorrow. You can only send one a day. So right there, that's 200 leads that this message went out to, promoting my Press1 system, and then, you know, just depending on your budget, you decide, you know, pick one of those methods I showed you, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to repeat this over and over. Now for me, I'm already in that SMS Blaster, so every day I send that message, I send a message, and then I send solo ads once a week, okay, to that capture page that I showed you. Okay, see, this is the page in the Conversion Pros. If you want this page, when you join me, I'll give you my share code. And let me show you another one that I did as well. So I send solo traffic. Hang on. Check this out. See, these pages are compelling, guys. So you send a message out, a solo ad, and they go to these pages, okay, and they'll opt in, and that's when the system will kick in to follow up. So, just a few ways that you can promote this system called Press1 Cash. Again, if you have any business out there that you're trying to promote, this will be perfect for you, okay, because it's going to allow you to get more leads. People are going to come in because they're going to be curious about what this is about. You get more sign-ups and more people you can follow up with to talk to about your business, okay? So this is the perfect software for you. Again, it's $297 one time, as it states right here on the website. There's no monthly fees. It comes already loaded with 100 credits. It costs 1 credit per text, so pretty much that's 100 different numbers that can call your number, okay, without you spending a dime once you get started. Now, I've got a great bonus that I'm giving to people when they join me. Reach out to me and I'll talk to you all about it. But this is a perfect way, guys, to make some extra income, as well as this can replace an income that you have. $200 a day, if you get a couple of those a day or a week, depending on what your expenses are, this could be a great full-time income, okay? Not to mention you get the marketing system, okay, which is going to bring you residual income, okay? So this is where you want to go for instant payments. And the person that joins you is going to pay you directly, so you're not waiting on the company to send you a check or any of that, okay? Great way to get started. So again, I will be happy to share with you my capture pages that I have. I'm going to put the link below for the Conversion Pro so you can get that system. Even if you don't get this today, you need a marketing system. If you have anything out here right now you're trying to promote, you've got to have a marketing system, okay? Trust me when I tell you, you need that, because leads is what you want to generate. You've got to get that list going, okay? So I'll be happy to help you with that. With that being said, guys, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.